In this video, I'll be showing you how you can freeze frames in Davinci Resolve 18 and beyond that. It is super simple to do. So first of all, what you need to have open is Davinci Resolve and your clip that you want to freeze frame. Then you need to find the place where you want to freeze frame, and I'm going to choose this one. Then from here, you need to go up to the blade tool up here and select the frame that you want to freeze frame. Then now you need to go one frame to the right and use the blade tool again. Then from here you need to zoom in onto your project like so you can see where you have clipped. Then you need to go to and right click on it and select change clip speed. When you have that open, you can select the freeze frame right here and click change. Then from here you can go to the select tool. You can take this off the grid and you can make this as long as you want to, like so. And I can quickly show you how it does look like so. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!